The first key to a successful GIS project is to have a very clear understanding of what it is you're trying to accomplish. You need to have a very neatly defined question to answer or a very well-defined problem to solve. To some people, that's going to sound obvious, but I see a lot of people who will sit down at a computer and open up the GIS software, maybe put some data in, and then try to make something appear, and it never works like that. Yes, there's time for exploratory analysis. When you've just got a new data set or you're combining new data sets in different ways, you can go in, check it out, see what's there, and see which insights you might be able to make. But that's not doing analysis, and it's not completing a project. When you're doing a GIS project, you need to know when you're finished, and this becomes extremely important if you're working for a client. The client is going to want to get results. The client is going to have problems and questions that they need to solve and that maybe we can do with the GIS toolkit. And so if you're working for someone else, perhaps as a GIS consultant, you want to make sure that the project you're trying to complete for them is very well defined, it's very targeted. That way you can execute a procedure to solve a problem or answer a question and then return it to your client. If you're working on your own project, maybe as part of a college course or perhaps as part of a final degree requirement, or if you're just doing your own project in order to expand your portfolio, make sure that you come to the project with a crystal clear understanding of what it is you're actually trying to accomplish. That way you will have a target, you'll have a goal, and you will also know when the project has been completed successfully.